Hello everyone! Gamer here, and I haven't made a video in a while, but let's get to it. And and today, what I'm gonna be building, showing you how to build is gonna be showing you how to flip animals over. You're gonna need an anvil and name tags. Place the anvil down, put the name tag in, and type dinner bone. The D is capital and the rest is not, and no spaces at all. If you make one mistake, it won't not work. When you're done typing it, you take it out from the last slot just to spawn any animal, but I'm gonna take some cows and sheep. Place them down. Take it. This is PlayStation version. This is PS3 version, but it will work on any. And look how it turned over like that. You could do it. PlayStation 3, you press L2 and they just flip over. It works on any animal. Please leave a like and subscribe, guys. It really helped me. And see you guys next video. Bye bye.